How can I change the master code on my ADT alarm system after resetting it?
In this video, we'll walk you through the process of changing the master code on your ADT alarm system after resetting it. Follow these simple steps to ensure your system is secure and personalized.
What is the ADT alarm system and the master code?
The ADT alarm system is a popular home security system that helps protect your home from intruders, fire, and other emergencies. The master code is a 4-digit code that allows you to access and manage the system settings, such as arming and disarming the alarm.
Why should I change the master code?
Changing the master code is important for maintaining the security of your alarm system. After resetting your system, the default master code may be easily guessed or discovered by others. To ensure your system remains secure, it's essential to set a unique master code that only you and authorized users know.
How to reset the ADT alarm system?
Before we dive into changing the master code, let's first cover how to reset your ADT alarm system. 1. Locate the alarm panel in your home. 2. Open the panel and disconnect the backup battery. 3. Turn off the power supply to the system by unplugging the transformer from the wall outlet. 4. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then reconnect the battery and plug the transformer back into the wall outlet. 5. The system will now reboot and reset to its factory settings.
Changing the master code.
Now that your ADT alarm system is reset, follow these steps to change the master code. 1. Enter the default master code on the keypad, which is typically 1234 or 6321. 2. Press the * key, followed by the number 5. 3. Enter the new 4-digit master code of your choice. 4. Press the # key to confirm and save the new master code. Your ADT alarm system's master code is now changed. Make sure to store the new code in a safe place and share it only with authorized users. Changing the master code on your ADT alarm system after resetting it is an essential step to ensure the security of your home. By following these simple steps, you can easily personalize your system and maintain its safety. Remember to test your alarm system regularly and keep your master code secure.